My dear students of class 5, welcome to online classes held in Bangabandhu Vidyaniketan. Today we are going to study English. Class 5, subject English, Unit 3, Lesson 1 and 2. My dear learners, take the book, open at page 10, Unit 3. First, we will read the passage from the book. Shoikot Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker. But in his free time, Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Shoikot's mother is Mrs. Monora Islam. She is a housewife. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Shoikot is in class 5. He is a good student. He wants to improve his English. So he watches cartoons on TV every day. He also reads English books. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Dear learners, look at the board and you can see some words and beside their meanings are written. Banker, you can see banker. Banker, what does banker mean? Banker means a person who engages in the business of banking. Who employs in banking. Bank. Housewife. A woman who does household chores. Enjoy. To have a good time. Swing. Swing. Stitching or knitting. Neighbor. Neighbor means a person who lives near. Improve. Improve means to make progress. Especially. Especially means in a particular way. Dear learners, now we will discuss the questions from activity C. Here are some questions. Now you will have to write answers to the following questions. I am going to discuss the answers, how you write the answers of the questions. Okay. A. What is Shoikot's father's name? Question is, what is Shoikot's father's name? Shoikot's father's name is Rashidul Islam. His father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. So you will write Shoikot's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. Second question. What is Shoikot's mother's name? Shoikot's mother's name is Mrs. Monora Islam. C. What do his parents do in his free time? His parents means his father and mother. Shoikot's father writes stories and listens to music in his free time. And his mother enjoys sewing. That means he makes dresses in his free time. Now comes to the next question. What does Shoikot do in his free time? What does Shoikot do in his free time? We will find the answer from the book. In his free time, Shoikot watches cartoons on TV every day to improve his English. He also likes books about animals and tigers and lions. Last question is, what kind of books does Shoikot like? Shoikot likes the books about animals, especially tigers and lions. These are the homeworks. At your home, you will write the answers of the following questions, read the text several times, and try to guess the meanings of the words. In this way, practice at home, practice reading. Practice reading. Try to guess the meaning of the words, and then you will be able to write the answers easily. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.